DJN TV.
Country people, now welcome to our Ogbonge program, The Analyticals. Remember, say, The Analytical na that Ogbonge program when we take dey follow our sister program, Street Zoom, when we don't go out, go check any matter when they out for ground. Thank God, na Christmas period now we dey so, and na Christmas matter now we carry enter street. Wetin be the matter? We go check to see how people see this year 2020 Christmas and compare am with all the one wey be say we don see for the past years. Today, not be only me one go dey do the analyzing. I mean, not be only one be the analyzer. I get my sister, my colleague, for inside studio with me. Two of us na go dey do the analyzing. Sister, abeg make you greet them.
My people, una well done o. I be una girl and sister Lawuru Favour. And this na Ogbonge program. Sit tight because this program e dey very informative for everybody.
Now no say for me, my name remains Stanley Okocha. Una one-time analyzer when they always analyze every matter when it be say we bring come. So as my colleague don't talk, make una sit back because we want begin the show. So
DJN TV.
yes, the show begin with the topic 2020 Christmas and Christmas of before. How it be like for you? How you see 2020 Christmas?
My brother, my people, the Christmas of 2020, I no go lie you, it not be like before. All of us know say with the event wey don happen for this year 2020, Christmas of 2020 can never be like the Christmas of 2019. Christmas of 2019, e dey okay, nothing like coronavirus, even though say we don dey hear the news that time, but it never really show itself. But 2020, March, April, May, you can't know after COVID-19 wahala, we can't enter NSAS wahala, different wahala dey ground. So the Christmas, now let God go help the people for this one. So we don't know how it go be.
Now true talk, you talk. So, country people, now so we enter street and the first person when we meet can be one Mr. Alhaji. You know what in the talk?
Wetin talk? Okay. Tell everybody more we
now, Mr. Alhaji say, first and foremost, 2020 na be the worst year wey you ever see. He cause it talk reach like that say March 2020 na the year end.
Ewo.
I mean 2020 say na end.
Ewo.
He said because from that March 2020 na corona start for Naija. Then immediately corona dey go down.
EndSARS come enter.
As EndSARS dey go comot, many matter come dey follow the EndSARS palava. So he come talk now say Christmas for 2020 they don postpone am till further notice. So make we not talk too much. I go give you time make you analyze am. But make we first show country people the video. Abeg show country people the video so that we go come back come analyze am.
Okay.
All this is when we talk. We dey compare Christmas of before and this year 2020 Christmas.
Jesus.
Now, in terms of people, they buy things, and if they no dey buy, how e be? Now we take enter street today.
From the beginning, to answer your question, this year start from March, spoil. People never see food chop. From coronavirus to EndSARS. Now, they say they postpone Christmas.
Postpone? Who postpone am?
I don't know. They say they postpone Christmas.
To when?
I don't know. Till father notice, and father not the green notice.
But we know say now the 25th of every December, every year, now be Christmas day when they celebrate the birth of Jesus.
Yes.
So how come you say who postpone am?
I don't know. They say they postpone Christmas, but 25 never reach.
Okay.
May we see. We will be traders where they sell and buy.
Okay. Like now, you just talk now say you be trader.
Yes.
You dey buy and sell.
Yes.
Now the things when you dey sell, now you put for your shoulder.
Yes.
So.
Na my sample be this against store.
Okay.
So if I carry person, I enter my store and I sell.
Okay.
To tell you the truth, as of last year, December 10th, we don start to dey sell.
Okay.
But currently now, today na 22nd.
Yes.
This morning I never sell one trouser. So that means this year is the worstest year in my career. Yes. So make sure if you get opportunity to slap Buhari, slap am. or anybody that turn this country around. Any country, wey turn any person wey turn this country around to make us dey suffer, we suppose to dey enjoy, but na we wey be traders. If we suffer from January to November, December, we recover everything wey we lost. Okay? But currently now, December and January almost be the same thing. So where are we heading?
So now, just like you talk now, you say the problem begin from March with coronavirus, then NSAS go enter.
NSAS. Now they say they postpone Christmas.
Now, hope not there at all.
I don't know. I don't know tomorrow. I can't tell you say hope there or hope no dey, because I don't know tomorrow. Anything can change in a twinkle of eye. Yeah. Anything can change. Tomorrow may be better, and I pray may tomorrow be better. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the time to talk to us. I bet you go give us your name before we come out.
They call me Alhaji and my real name. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Because people, we don't come back. I hope I see the video. Now, look the matter when they talk. He said 2020 spoiled from March. Okay. 1. 2. He said 2020 Christmas, they don't postpone until further notice.
Further notice, okay.
Then, because he talk another one again, when he come make me one laugh small, but I don't come laugh, I call myself. He said people know they buy things for the Xmas. Then, but he come talk one thing, he say yes. He say get hope, things will change anytime. Okay. So these 4 things when he talk now, how you see them?
First of all, my country people, what did the brother talk? No be lie, yo.
Okay.
Because if we look how the whole thing they be, can't join the COVID, no so many people can't lose their job for the process, and then NSAS protest can still come. No say they call ban interstate movement. You know when you they want come up from one state to another, you see people wey block road say no movement. That thing can affect the way goods stay enter town. That one can still affect the price of goods. So of course, who no get money, you no go fit buy anything. According to what you talk, market people no go fit sell. Market people no go sell. Who no get money no go buy. So everybody go dey the way they dey. I not really doubt wetin he talk. Wetin he talk na true. But that one when you see talk, the other one he talk when I really like, he say hope dey. So if he change at any time. So what could they say they look how it go be, how it go take change. But I never really know I want to change. But more just see follow what he talk. Say things go change as it talk.
Okay. For my own, Sha. For my own.
Okay.
One major thing when he talk, when he really shocked me to my bone marrow. Let me say they don't postpone Christmas to further notice. Then like I will ask him, how they all go postpone Christmas?
Who postpone Christmas?
You know, see and tell me. But then he said they don't postpone Christmas to further notice. Christmas, they only postpone now. Like every year from time immemorial. Now the 25th of December of every year.
Now be Christmas day.
So the idea when they talk say they postpone now, me I not agree for that one. But for the other one, all the other things when they say from March, just like you used to talk just now, not true. 2020 by March, you know, say that kind of January with the year koro small
with the year.
So instead of saying we never see them, so we not feel the impact. But from that March, now they can't really know waiting day.
We can't really know waiting they happen.
Waiting day. The beginning when they really shake the world, we can't really see them.
Because he put hand for ground for Nigeria.
Seriously. Then lockdown, quarantine everything.
Lockdown everybody.
So even the pockets do the quarantine. And then we will not talk too much because more videos they want
more videos to analyze.
Country people. Now our next respondent when we still meet as we enter street, come be Mr. Network. Now Mr. Network still talk so kind things when we say he go see shock person to the bone marrow. Now he start first of all, he say Christmas never reach. That be first thing when he talk.
Oh, the first one say they postpone and this one say Christmas never reach. Okay.
Then, because he talk again, he said as for market, things when they buy, when they sell, because in their trade, they sell things.
Okay.
He said the whole thing they dull. Say no, they make brain at all. Understand? So because he talk again, say, but one thing when you go like make government for do, government supposed to support
the traders.
Yes.
Okay.
Trade not be only traders, self country people. Sake of say the thing they affect everybody. So he comes to talk again. He say Christmas, say na January. So that's when he talks say never reach. Say na January.
Okay.
He say in fact Christmas supposed to be August. So how you see him all this matter when he talk?
And the guy, in a way, I would say he dey right. But the fact that he say Christmas na January and no support that one. People they talk and say December 25th, no be deadline for achievement of anything.
Okay.
The fact say you never achieve what you say you want to achieve before December 25th, no mean say make you go kill yourself. Person go do as the power reach. For the traders, me I still understand that. It's not easy to carry all your money, go buy something for market.
Okay.
Then people no fit buy the things the way you bring the market where you bring, because people not fit buy it. It's not easy. So like wetin you talk, me I don see waka market. I see say people not they really they buy as per the way they buy normally.
Okay.
People need they buy. But for that one, they say they carry Christmas go January. My brother, Christmas I see December 25th. You know they change date. Whether you do, you no do. Now the date it be. Now so it just be. I don't know how you say am.
For my own side, when you say market door, yes, market supposed to door because money no dey.
Yeah, so.
Money no dey. Na money dey carry person go market. Na money dey make this make dey lively. So once money no dey, everywhere go dey door. Because nobody no like better thing o.
Abi.
Country people go like wan celebrate the Christmas wella, but na the money be the thing. E still talk one thing o. E say na personality Christmas be this year. If they will celebrate am at all.
Okay.
So for me, everybody, whether personality Christmas, whether na general Christmas, anyhow e be, celebrate am
As
as
you
you
say.
see am. Then government, e good make we get welfare package
For the masses.
for masses, for common people, country people, because person wey be say im no see reach, you go still support am. After all, Christmas na love.
A time of showing love.
Yes, na e be. So abeg make we show country people the video so that they go really hear wetin
Wetin you talk.
he talk.
Then.
That's Mr. Network.
Okay.
You dey talk just now, you say they postpone Christmas.
Yes, now.
So now that one call my attention to you, but first give us your name.
My name.
Yeah.
I may be network.
Okay, Network. Now why you say they postpone Christmas?
If you observe and see the situation of the market,
Okay.
it dey bad now. The market dey door.
How you take the door? Wetin make am dey door?
Everything now high. Person no dey fit buy market. Person no dey fit buy something sell. Say sell am to im own taste.
Okay.
If you on your own self, go even reach common rice no take dey do the Christmas now. How e be? Go reach chicken wey dem dey sell. How much dem dey sell chicken? Na chicken and goat na the same price. You just dey do that thing you no dey Nigeria or you no dey Benin.
Serious?
E dey na browse am for your phone you go see am. E dey everywhere. Or just by mistake pass as you dey waka for roadside. Make you know how much dem dey sell chicken. Chicken na 8,000, goat na how much? How much your dog? No na I just dey talk am. Make no be like say I no talk am. The thing dey pain me. No be so e be. Chicken now there pass goat.
Okay, you mean now say this year Christmas, the one we dey see before, better pass this year o?
Yes, I never talk o. Christmas never reach.
E never reach.
No.
But on the 25th of December every year, na be Christmas.
But this one now I no get.
Why you no go get head?
Mo ask the president now.
President, but no be president dey give us food before.
No, na normal level. But if you observe am now, say the way you take see am, if everywhere good, Christmas go sweet.
Okay.
At least all this level wey dem dey do since normal level. If government come out now do things for us, our Christmas go dey sweet us.
Okay.
But if you observe am, see the Christmas, this one na Christmas. Christmas never reach. Today na dey call today 22. Today no be 22. Hey, today na 20 lost.
Well, you dey change calendar.
I never change am, but the calendar people make program and no program well this year.
Okay, wetin you dey sell now? Wetin you dey sell? People
I
don
dey sell clothes.
Anybody never patronize you since morning?
They dey patronize me right from time. But December dey change. But this December come worse. If you come even the rain come dey fall. E come be like say we enter rainy season. Be like na August we go. Be like say this year dem no program am well. If not, dem for program this month to be August. Program August to be December. How you see am? Check am now.
But you know, the way you talk, so you no fit say na the sun when e too shine na make rain fall to still cool the.
Right from December wey dey come. Sun dey shine o. You know understand, but the weather dey cool. But this one rain dey fall, you dey feel it. That one sun go dey shine, cold go dey catch. This one rain dey fall, sun dey shine, you dey feel it inside rain. Tell me now how you come dey feel the December? You dey feel am okay? No, I just dey tell her this December now, you say na December we dey December, but we dey feel it inside December, and now na December 22. They postpone December na August na suppose to be December. Why December go be August?
Okay, now Christmas day now. How you feel say e go be for people?
But na heavy rain o.
Every day on Christmas Day.
Better one. Flood fit carry people where they want go party sef. Flood fit carry them go through there for one side.
What different no come for that 25th?
Different no fall, but December never still reach you. No, leave am. December never still reach if rain no fall.
Never see it.
No, never reach.
Okay, but you don't get this when you want to celebrate the Christmas.
Me celebrate Christmas. But that one make you talk. Every time when you dial number, they tell you the number that you are trying to call is currently switched off.
But people see they buy things that what they want you to take celebrate.
No, this one they all they do on their own. This Christmas night no be for general celebration, na personality celebration that they do this year. You know why they do like that this year?
No.
Because the things is too hard.
Okay. It's too hard.
It's too hard. And if you observe am now, people make their life rich, but wetin we wan celebrate? No be Christmas o. We dey celebrate New Year.
But New Year get your own day now.
New Year dey thank God say you know say na next year.
Okay.
Because that next year na be wetin we wan celebrate. Who here to this year na the best happiness so far in the world. Na go be the best New Year wey you don celebrate.
I hope una see am, una hear am by una sef from Mr. Network mouth everything when he talk. So na so e be. The next respondent when we see meet as we waka, now we wan see talk about now. Respondent no gree give us e name. He say he get why he no wan gree give us e name.
Personal reasons.
Personally, exactly. He say the year 2020 dey vex him. He say how can person go work at the end of the day no fit shop.
No make sense.
That be one point when he raise. Understand? Then he come talk again. He say Christmas. He say anyhow. So how you see am?
Like wetin he talk, e no easy say person dey work from January to December. Then the time wey you suppose to fit take say make I go show love to my family, to my friends, you no fit see anything carry go give them. And you know say our society wey we dey, e no dey encourage us at all. If person come greet you for Christmas, say I come greet you o, you go dey first dey look in your hand say wetin you carry come? Na empty hand you take come. All those ones na dey make those kind people dem the thing dey vex dem say as at this time they never fit get anything wey dem fit say support. You know say family dey depend on them. Our African society, you get many people wey dey expect from you. Your in-laws dey dey one side, your father and your mother dey dey one side. If you be senior, you get younger ones to take care of. So your neighbor and friends say they go still come visit you. You dey say
even your immediate family if you don get family.
Your wife, your children, your husband, everybody dey depend on you. So e no really see say person go market January to December, e no go see anything to take celebrate the Christmas. So me, I support the guy o. I no know how you see am, but for me, I feel say e reach to vex person because e no easy.
For me too, the thing dey really painful. Because oyinbo man when he carry the word workshop come, mean say when you work,
you go shop. Na so.
So how can somebody come dey work now to come shop come be wahala? So e mean say the money when e dey come e no reach to shop.
E no reach to take shop.
So this thing na very critical thing. The guy make big point because as I think am again now, no, e dey painful. Say person go work January like my sister talk before. January, February, March, April, May, June. Despite the corona.
Come reach December.
Come on to see money now to spend for your family
you know
or your loved ones. You know see.
And they no go understand though.
No, they
no go understand.
As I say you dey come at daybreak.
No. They go market every day. They no go understand. They no fit understand.
They no understand. So na so they think.
That's what we say.
So e dey really painful. So but show us the video, make contribute. Yeah, this our third respondent as e take
talk the matter.
Christmas, we don dey see am dey come. How you see the Christmas when you don see since they born you, and this year 2020 Christmas?
This year e get how e be sha, but no matter how e be, we still dey get am.
Okay.
Understand? Based on market things, but no be as e be. Last year na e dey be. Like last year, before 20, market is moving more than the way it's supposed to be. But there is no money, but people are buying.
People are still buying.
They are buying.
Okay.
They are buying. There is nothing much. There is not much problem. Just that the kind of government we have is affecting us. If not, everywhere is good.
Okay.
Yes, the country is good. We are hardworking. There is money, but the problem is that the bad government we have.
Okay. Now the price when they sell before, anyone increase now based on the Christmas?
Yeah, it really increased,
Okay.
It really increased. Increase. The thing is that coming to jeans or polo, understand? everything increase.
Okay.
Everything really increase because of how the government is these days. Everything increase. Normally it's supposed to increase because transport these days, the risk. Understand? Like when you are going to some place now, there will be much traffic. Like everything increase. Like the polo we used to sell 1.5, 1.2, 1.3. It's not like that these days. Like 1.7, 1.8. If you're not buying, you go home.
Now, but you as a person now, how you see this Christmas? You now as a person, how you want to celebrate them?
Everybody should celebrate based on his own level.
Okay.
Understand? I myself, I will celebrate based on my own level. There is not much expense I'm going to. I don't think I will make much expenses more than the way I used to do before. Just to economize myself. Understand? I just to keep my own self, my family, not to do more than myself. And that is all about that.
Thank you, my brother, for the time to talk to us. But you never tell us your name. Give us your name.
My name is Duke.
My people, una welcome back. Shebi una don see the video for una sef, una hear am. E even get one thing when you see talk, my brother.
Yes.
He say they don turn EndSARS to end full stop because full stop don there. But anyhow, our people say Ogoro must jump.
Na so e be.
Anyhow we see the Christmas, we sef we go celebrate am. We go take am like
Na
that.
so e be.
More move ahead. May not be like saying na only one person. Na just dey talk the matter. More move ahead. More see here from more people as they take analyze this Christmas matter.
Get sense for inside. All of them get sense as you take analyze am. So if you look am, make I start with that transportation when they talk. Now, before this December, so 9 government increase fuel. Then after they say they can't remove small again for inside out of 170 they can't remove 5 naira. But me and you know say we not dey see 5 naira for high again.
5 naira not dey again. You not be buy anything.
Even 10 naira not dey again. Not talk of 5 naira. So definitely as they increase that fuel, you go come increase transportation and it go affect the
price of goods.
And the company say na Christmas period so and people must wear new clothes on Christmas Day to celebrate the Christmas.
You don't buy clothes?
I never where the money dey.
Okay.
Where the money dey?
What will continue?
So I never buy. I never even buy for my children. But I know say yes, Ogoro must jump as we talked before. So now so the matter be. So like my brother talk. At least make government need to do what they need to do. Understand things to the year. And the first thing when they cost them na the price of fuel. You understand? And so other matters when you see talk, no one not get sense. All of them get sense and they make points. So now so me see am.
My people, for me, wetin the guy talk, e correct. If fuel there, e go affect price of onions, e go affect price of clothes. Some people go say, but the onions na Nigeria na, the garri na Nigeria na, the common market woman, e go sell you garri, make people use the money to go buy cloth. So if cloth increase, e go need to increase the price of the garri so that e go fit buy the cloth as it take go up for price.
Na so e be.
So government go see try. Make dem dey help us. Make dem do this increment wey don dey near. You know say normally.
Wait, my sister. The one dey pay me pass for inside. The fuel so where from dey come, not the crude oil. Na the crude oil where from dey come. Not be inside Naija we country.
Na because we no get if we get refinery before, e no go there. We dey export am, dey import am, dey sell am give our. Na we dey do ourselves. My brother, no be that matter na we carry come. But we leave am because that matter.
Another day.
Na critical matter. So una don hear wetin e talk. The Christmas, everybody go do am as their power reach.
So,
you go cut your cloth according to your material because you fit fat and you get 2 years. And na normally na 3 years dey reach you. So you go cut am according to your 2 years.
Then you go fitted.
You go show am fitted.
All right, this our next respondent, country people. His name na Mr. Ifeanyi. Now he no talk much o. He talk say temptation too much for 2020. He say na come affect am from the time when e begin by March with Corona come reach December. See, now it affect am temptation too much. Then they go to talk again. Say people they come market but they buy small goods sake of say the price increase. So for instance, if somebody come up for us with 20,000, open to buy like maybe 5 goods, as he reach market, he go surprise na only 1 good.
20,000 go fit buy.
And so because of that, he go come buy only 1 instead of the 20.
Okay.
So make we show people the video, make them hear am from the mouth.
Okay.
I beg, give us your name.
Ifeanyi is my name.
Okay. Now we dey compare Christmas of before and 2020 Christmas, how you see am as a person?
Thank God for everything because this year, everybody passed many temptations. After coronavirus, there comes up NSAS and Buhari. Then at the same time, we still living because we all believe in someone with the future because federal government is also helping us. So what we do is what we get from that. By the grace of God now, look at what I'm doing to survive here and feed my family. I thank God for everything for today. They are saying, but just that the cost of things are higher because of the dollar things aspect of it. But we thank God, we're still coping with that small.
Now Christmas na just some days time. Today na 22.
Yes.
So we just get 2 days between today and Christmas Day. Now people dey buy
Yeah, they are buying.
compared to before.
Because of it, they don't buy because of the price. Someone is supposed to buy 2 or 3, buy 2 because of the price. Or someone supposed to buy 5, buy 3 because of the price. But thank God they are still trying. Yes, that's what I'm selling. I still buy all that which I'm not selling. Things are very high, but we manage that the way we see it. Thank God for everything.
You now as a person, how you go take celebrate the Christmas?
Yes, life first. Because we have passed, as I said before, we passed many temptations this year. And comes up now, peace. End it. He said, do laugh best. I thank God for everything life give to me and my family. Okay. Nobody sick, nobody dies. I don't lose anybody in my family. I will still live healthy today, so thank God for that.
Now continue, we don't come back. I open a year round. So, my sister, how you see that thing?
My brother, this one Mr. Ifeanyi talk. My people go say, he enter.
Okay.
This one, this matter, he enter. When you carry 20,000 go market, they hope say, you buy one shirt, one jean,
Yes.
maybe one small pan, maybe you take follow up. Then maybe if you see one eyeglass or maybe one wrist or one chain, based on 20K, if you buy all those things, you go there happy, you go owe your money, you go reach Ring Road. You go here say the polo wey carry you go na 15,000.
Can imagine.
Then maybe the jean doctor to 20,000.
Can you imagine?
You can't get to weigh your option say 15, 20. Polo jean, which one I need to buy? Instead of buying like 4 or 5 items, you go end up buying only one. Because now waiting your money reach, you know if you go thief, you know if you kill yourself. So this one when they really talk not true. Okay. Because many people they go with the mind say, I go sell where today. I carry new goods come market. Yes. But customer they come with the mind say, now 20,000, now 10,000, now 40 I get. But when they go reach market, they no go fit buy. And then if they not fit buy, that means say market woman not sell. Market man not sell. And if they not sell, they no go fit still buy from the next person too. So the thing, it affects market. And as it also this year, it come with plenty. My people, una know. From the COVID to the NSAS. From the NSAS, we call the hear different matter, security matter where they play for everywhere. The thing get as it be. Kidnapping dey one side.
Banditry.
All of them.
Killing.
Any name where they call am.
Wow.
Everything. To even travel, na problem. But in all, man not to speak English. Oboyibo in all. I want say in essence.
That one na grammatical eye. Now you just close.
For everything, the whole summary of the whole matter be say. This Christmas, we go do am the way we see am.
So my
brother not be so.
So it be.
So you go say still talk wetin you still think about wetin this guy talk.
Wetin he talk? That's not be Mr. Ifeanyi.
Mr. Ifeanyi.
In fact, wetin he talk sweet my belly to my kidney and liver. You see am? So if you look am well, can you imagine? If na me, I carry like 20,000 naira enter market, say I wan buy like 4 things or even 2 things sef. I come at the end of the day, that 20,000 na one thing one buy. You know what I go do? That money I go palm am for inside my pocket where I dey go as I not buy again.
But you know say we no fit cook money for pot too.
No, I was saying na jeans I wan buy, I been na shirt I wan buy. Not be that I no dey eat jeans now. If na rice, I fit manage that one. But say no, I go palm my money for pocket. I go work, I go house. That's for me.
But you know say that market woman don't lose that market for that day.
But don't make us now. Now the way condition be.
Okay.
Now so it be. So that is why me go join country people now. Tell government, make them put eye for this thing. The thing don't they go out of hand. You understand? The thing they affect everybody for we Obodo Naija. Not be one person they affect on everybody.
They affect everybody.
Even me when they decide to do so. My brother, well done.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Abeg, give us your name.
My name is Wise Man.
That's how I waka when I come meet wise man.
Na better thing.
That wisdom na one tap so from
Na
you.
better thing.
Correct. So Christmas. Now one thing we be say we dey celebrate once in every year on the 25th December.
Yes.
Not be so.
Na true.
This year how far how e be? We dey compare am with the past years how e be.
Brother, if you start from 2015, your blessing the thing dey go down day by day. Your blessing we dey go inside valley
Every day.
every day.
Why you talk
But
so?
this morning, as I wake up this morning, I think whether na coronavirus we dey protest wey we get na make the thing dey like this. But I come reason am say 2019 e better pass 2020. 2018 better pass 2019. I start that experience since 2015. Now I begin to dey experience all those things. It's like we dey go valley, we dey go down. The street no sweet. If you look the streets now, you no suppose dey like everywhere suppose dey choked up. Me wey dey talk to you now, I no suppose dey talk to you. I could have been busy here dey collect money, but see me as I stand like iroko tree wey busy I no get wetin I dey do. So the thing we dey go valley for inside the country. Make our government help us. We are in the valley.
How you feel say government go take help now? Because you say make government help us. How you feel say government go take help?
Government fit help us
How? In what way?
in many ways o. If they know the thing they do am before, make they go back, make they sit together, make they talk well. You understand? Because the market come cost. Market wey I dey buy, I just dey come from travel now this morning. I dey come from travel, no be amount so I take buy am, na I take buy am now. And the transport fare don one at times 2. And I dey hear say they don reduce fuel price, and the money now na times 2. So that make everything now cost. Like this one now we dey sell am 800, but now no 15.
15.
Yes.
That's almost times 2
You dey see
of
am.
the former price.
You dey see am. The thing dey pay me because I like to consider my fellow Nigerians. You understand? I like to consider them.
Okay, you feel now say na the high cost na make people no dey like wan buy things wey they suppose use for Christmas.
Yes, if I may say yes, because money no dey some of their pockets.
Okay.
They no get money like that.
Okay.
Some of them fit budget say na 20,000 they wan spend, but if they come market they go dey see 50,000 naira above that budget. So me even sef I dey pity for them. If God fit take me far, I know what to do by His grace. That's it. I dey feel for my fellow human being.
Now, you now as a person, I believe say you be Christian.
Strong Christian o.
Okay. Christmas, you go celebrate am.
You know, love was born at Christmas.
Yes.
And loves look around to see who is in need.
Okay.
You understand? Every year we dey celebrate Christmas because our Lord and personal Saviour Jesus Christ was born on the Christmas day. So we go celebrate am. But my own be say I dey tell Nigeria as a whole, make they go down to their knees and thank God. Those people wey dey alive, make they go down to their knees, begin to thank God. If they begin to thank God, maybe mercy from heaven fit come. E go enter our leader heart. Things go begin to dey develop, because if all those people get kind minds, things go dey move fast.
Wait, you know say most time people kind of dey say leaders. You no think say no be only the leaders be the problem? Say maybe country people like you and me.
That one true. Like if you come from inside family now, na papa na go talk to children. You understand? If papa talk to children, children go obey. But we wey be children, we no fit comot now. Who am I to go stand for Obaseki office go dey talk to am? You want me dey go keep me for inside Oko because I wear short knicker? I wish I get Lexus Jeep now, or I get Range Rover Sport, I get Venza, I wear better suits and my body dey send. So I fit go talk to Obaseki, he go accept me. But now I know say the grace dey come o, because me I go talk to all of them one by one. You understand? For the betterment of Nigeria, make our country good. You understand? Our country, we love ourselves. You understand? If we love ourselves, we no go dey experience hardship by now. We go dey enjoy. You understand? And too, I dey appeal to federal government. All this kilikili wey we dey see now, wey dey experience, make they talk put. I dey hear say some police stations never open, upper market station never open. Make they arrange everywhere, make we wey be seller, like now as I stand there dey fear. I don't know who come carry knife take come shoot me for back as I hold my bag. Okay. You understand? So make that security still come, that one still join. You understand?
That security matter you just carry come so. Now how you still see this security outfit, instant security system when Nnamdi Kanu introduced for eastern side.
Wetin him do he try. Wetin him do he try. But me I no go fit talk wetin I no see.
Okay.
That one I never see am. I no go fit go that side. But for me I dey hear. So I dey give am kudos say him try. They say security tight for that side. That's really great. That we thank God for that.
Thank you for the time you take talk to us, but I no go leave you. At least you get people and be say you go wan wish Merry Christmas. So I give you opportunity now make you wish them.
If the station go reach Abuja,
Na everywhere.
na wise man o. I dey greet Oloye,
Okay.
FBI,
Okay.
many of them. I dey wish them happy Christmas. More especially my father-in-law, TB Joshua. I dey wish am happy Xmas and New Year in advance.
Thank you, my brother, for your time.
Thank you.
My people, una don hear wetin he talk. This our brother, he call himself Mr. Wise Man.
And they come talk with wisdom.
He talk with enough wisdom. Some of the point when we draw from wetin he talk na im be this. Number one, he say government need to go back to the drawing board. Make dem for go know wetin dem dey do before. When you observe say e dey be like say when year don pass, e dey better pass the next one wey dey come. That's to say 2018 better pass 2019. 2019 na don come better pass 2020. He say na wetin he observe. He say another thing wey he still observe, my brother, be say the price of fuel don go up, and he sef e affect the price of goods for market. Then he talk another word wey still good. He say make we as country people, make we go beg God o. Anyhow wey we know how we fit take beg am, any language wey you fit speak to God, make you go beg God, make he touch the heart of our leader, so that they go dey do the things wey dem know say e good for the people. You dey see how all this is the way he talk so. So all this is the way he call talk now. How you call see am? Because just give us your view, make country people see here wetin you think about this matter.
For me, just like him talk, the man talk with wisdom. You know, say it get for our language. They go say na name when you give pikin, na so the pikin dey grow become. So if papa and the mama no make mistake when they call am wise man because he talk with wisdom. So if you look am now, our government, if this call wan too late, e don reach the time wey be say they go take go back to drawing board, because me too observe am since 2015, like when he talk. I observe am since that 2015. No year they better pass the past year. And that one na reverse.
E not supposed to be so. We no dey go back.
And you know, for motor go say reverse.
We dey revise. No.
That one not supposed to be like
Not
that.
supposed to be like
We
that.
supposed to dey move forward, not be backward. You see am? So like this year 2020 now, next year 2021 supposed to better pass 2020.
2020.
So if e be say previous year dey better pass the next year, na big error. So na call from the government make dem do wetin dem need to do. For the fuel matter, we don fit talk am before. Make sure say yes, fuel na our own, crude oil na our own.
Na we get am.
Na we get am. So e no good say wetin we get, e go come dey cause problem to our own self. You understand? Then for the killing, so when he talk, e wan come too much, because we for this country, we suppose to dey see ourselves as one. You na Nigerian, me na Nigerian.
E no matter the state wey we
No
for
matter
come.
the state when we come. You understand where
Exactly.
we come from? So we supposed to dey see ourselves as one. If I see you as one, as myself,
As yourself, you know what kill
I
me?
wan kill you.
Because if you kill me, you don kill yourself.
Remember, say Christmas too. Na be the day when they born Jesus. Not being we dey celebrate.
Na we dey celebrate.
And Jesus, wetin he preach? Love.
Love.
He say love your neighbor
As you love yourself.
So if you love yourself, you no fit cut yourself now.
Abi.
Just imagine me now, go just slap myself. E no dey possible. So if I no fit slap myself, I no fit slap my neighbor. No to talk say I go come kill am. So make we stop the killing. Make we begin to show love. Then for the one when he go talk about the Eastern security, when he still talk about say yes, he give kudos to.
When Nnamdi Kanu.
Well, that one na him own opinion. You understand? Not be the state, our station opinion. Country people, this next person, when we say we meet for street that day, give us his name as Malam Abdulrasheed. Now, he talk certain things. He say first and foremost, wetin sweet in mind na be the border when President Muhammadu Buhari come open.
That border.
The border. He said, but come dey. He said the removal of rice and frozen food like chicken and turkey. See na that one not sweeting for belle. He said like Christmas now, don't he not be in a Muslim or he not be Christian. He said, but this Christmas, so Christians they use rice, they need rice.
Just celebrate.
He said, so make government, President Muhammadu Buhari, go back, make it go open the border wella. by making sure say rice and not the frozen food
They enter
then
country.
enter we country so that country people go fit jollificate well as e suppose. Show us the video make we see.
Wadda, assalamu alaikum. Yan uwana Yoruba da Musulmi da Hausa gaba ɗaya. Abinda Buhari ya bangaren boda bai kyauta mana ba. Saboda ya ce da dan open border. Say no rice, no spaghetti. No good.
Okay.
May liver may carry rice and spaghetti. May people may bele, may food.
Okay.
This country no good. Say na only cloth and groundnut they no dey carry come. For this Nigeria, you no good like that.
Okay.
May leave may spaghetti may inter Nigeria and rice
Okay.
may good.
Okay, and now Christmas don come and na rice na dem take dey do Christmas. No be so?
Na so.
So price don come down now, be still go up.
E don go up now.
E go up.
Yes, now one bag for Nigeria rice. They dey sell am 26.
26,000.
Foreigner they dey sell am 35.
35.
35.
Okay.
Na you know good.
People dey buy am.
People dey go dey buy am small small.
Small small.
Na small small dey buy am.
Oh.
Na small small.
So wetin you dey tell the president now make e do? Because country people go like
Carry
it.
may liver may any for border may open am all of the any something person wey go like or go enter Nigeria.
Okay.
You go carry am come.
Okay. Okay.
No say no rice, no spaghetti, no good like that.
Okay.
You know say oil now how much they sell one that 1 liter how much they sell? It was selling 25.
Okay.
No good.
25,000 naira.
Yes,
25.
Yes.
That's that 20
That time where they sell now they sell 17.
17.
8,000. Maybe low.
But now na 25.
Now 25.
Okay. Now
like that.
how people go come to celebrate Christmas now with all these things?
They go the Malaysian small.
Okay, small.
Small they celebrate.
Okay.
Because everything is too dear. Never find that. Yes.
Okay.
You know all right.
Thank you. You know what? Give us your name. Tell us your name.
My name Abdurrashid.
Okay.
Kano with the local government.
Okay. So we don't come back on the people. Now hear am from Malam Abdurrashid. So how you still see those things when you talk?
And this thing when you talk, na better matter.
Okay.
Remember I said they don't open the border.
Yes.
Recently, now they open now. And when they open now, so they don't open all the borders.
No.
They open only 4 borders. They open 2 for the northeast. They open 1 for west. They can open 1 for south. But when they open now, the woman where they in charge, go talk one word. She say, after they open and so, but we not just the happy say they want begin they bring rice because people call the happy say rice go cheap. Frozen food, e go cheap. But she come say no, government say rice no go enter. Frozen food no go enter. What did they call put the border for now? So what did this guy talk? Na better matter in talk.
Okay.
Fine, they don't open the border, but they never open am where. The border place you open small water they enter. They need to if they want open am, make they open am where. They say when you want to do something, you do am where. Maybe you don't say you do the thing or you no do am at all. So this all government they do. They need to open the border where so that the rice. If they want me enter, we go see they produce our local rice. So.
Yes.
Remember, say our local rice don't they meet up to standard. We go still produce our own, but make the rice price for still fall where. Make they open the border where. And for the chicken and the other things, I don't know how you still see the matter.
For me, all this kind, what you Oyinbo they call dilly dally, I be hide and seek. You know they sweet my belly at all. Country people, we know say yes for Christmas na rice.
Na rice now.
Na rice. When you say you dey do Christmas, you give your pikin another food, you no put rice. Na that Christmas never complete. It never complete.
That means more eat eba.
So,
More eat eba now.
you wan cause war for the house. Na what you wan cause? Na rice. Until that rice don ready, na be say Christmas don set.
But rice fit dey without chicken.
So now, the chicken must on top. Dem be brother and sister. Dem dey go pari passu like Oyinbo talk.
That na what you
That's what Oyinbo talk am. So for me, this Malam Abdurashid na better yarn na him just yarn. Government no need to dey do something half. If you wan do am once and for all. Now check the country people rice wey we dey make, wey we dey call made in Nigerian rice. E still dey cost. What about the chicken too? The chicken wey we dey talk say we dey make for we dey train for Nigeria. When I dey come just now, I pass market come. As I hear when somebody say what they call am na parents call they call am na
parent call that one where the white.
The white one.
The white one.
12,000
for one.
If it too low, 9,000.
The one you not feed well.
Okay. Then the layer.
Where the leg.
That one that time I think na 1,005.
1,500.
Now they say na 3,500, 4,000 if it too low. Don't you know when they don't see feed well, like at 2.5.
Ah,
You can imagine.
that means say egg go enter 100 naira for one.
You never buy egg of recent.
Old layer don go school be that.
Now 60 naira for egg, one egg now. 60 naira.
Okay.
So make them open the border. It no mean say we not go dey produce our own. Why our people they produce our own? Then those ones they come from outside go they augment each other. They go they
Break the, my brother wait, you don't speak one big name. Augment.
Okay,
Na
okay.
medicine name abi.
no be medicine. Wetin I mean by augment mean they go dey waka like brother and sister. They go hold hand like this. Go dey waka together. They go. Na be wetin I mean.
Okay.
So na so the matter miss am.
Okay. My people would all hear from Malam Abdul Rashid and wetin he talk. Say make government open the border well. But we still move ahead. We still talk to more people for the street. Okay, my country people, we wan move ahead to yet another person wey we ask question. She not gonna give us her name, because say she dey para, say this thing not be as e suppose to be. But anyhow, but we first show na wetin the woman talk. Okay. They will come back come analyze wetin she talk. Now the video na im be this.
Okay.
The manager. Bag of rice 40,000, 35,000. Half bag 15,500. Who no get money go enter market buy am. Oil it don increase. Fresh pepper wey we dey buy before we dey buy am 8,000. Now na 15,000 for bag, small bag. How we go take sell am? Now na no fresh pepper for market 50 naira. Apart from 100 naira. Everything for market na 100 naira. 100 naira. How we go take manage this Christmas? So make we so tomatoes now it don't reach 25,000 for bag. If you sell am no go reach. Make una still dey consider us because we dey try. So may not be say one day all of us will go thief. Abeg.
Like mama, like last year Christmas and this year Christmas, which one you prefer?
Last year Christmas e even dey okay pass this year since we dey market I no fit sell 5,000 since morning till now. Who no get money go buy something? Okay, see onions now to 200 naira. Before not be 50 naira. So I beg make they still pity us, make they bring everything come down, make Buhari see help us. People they suffer. Beans now before 50 naira, but now beans now 100 naira. For house now 150. Indomie, you know fit buy am. Before this one how much? Not be 60 naira, but now 250. I will take him Malaysia. When I still consider for us.
Mommy, you go talk your name, then you go see people I believe say people dey when you go wan wish happy Christmas too.
Yes.
So I wan give you that opportunity now because they go call you. Many of them go call you.
Make them call me now. People wey wan wish me happy, when I wan wish happy Christmas, no money, I will take give them happy Christmas. Honorary month. When I get brother, I get sister, when I supposed to help, no money. Me not fit eat. Shall I fit help person? I not fit help now.
But maybe when you tell am happy Christmas now, if you call.
Now for my mind, but it's in my mind for me to buy something, go give them. Okay. Like my sister now, I supposed to carry her bag, go give her, but no money. Me not fit buy one rubber of rice to eat
for yourself.
For myself. I will take help person. When I see they consider for us, I beg. So that's why I talk. That is the end of my story.
Thank you for the time you talk to us.
She dey vex say no give us her name. We leave her. We not get wetin we wan use the name to do. But she make some points like when some people don sit up before. She say this year Christmas e no be like last year own. She come still talk on other things too. He say if you not get 100 naira you no fit buy something. No. That means say this year more already we no go give children 20 naira, we no give them 15 naira for this matter wey dey go so. Say because 5 naira no fit buy anything, 10 naira no fit buy anything, 20 naira no fit buy anything. Unless you want 100 naira, you no go fit buy something. We cut her say wish person happy Christmas. My brother, you know it. She say she not fit wish person Merry Christmas. So say because Merry Christmas with empty hand, empty mouth, na nothing. How you see the matter?
For me, it be like say everybody when the BC talk, when we waka enter street, na one thing, now they the hammer. They the black when you carry hammer, carpenter, carry hammer. You want knack me, you go knack am for head, koi. Na so they use the knacker. Now, not be lie, the woman talk. For me, 10 naira, I don't know the color again because nothing when I see am reach. No talk of 5 naira in brother.
That means you be big man.
Not be the big man thing. Not be Nigeria currency we call am. It's supposed to dey in circulation. But we no dey see am in circulation again. Why? Because nothing dey fit buy again. Everything don go high. I don't know what people dey call inflation. It don go high. It don run go up. You see am?
Like blow where you blow.
Thank you. God on review dey go. Na so the thing come be now. 20 naira, 10 naira, 5 naira. We no dey see them again. 50 naira na small now we dey see am.
Okay.
Not be say na because say I be big man. No.
I been wan say you be big man before.
No, but because say those things they no dey fit dey buy anything again.
Oh, okay.
Before 5 naira dey buy maggi.
Yes.
10 naira dey buy biscuit. 20 naira dey buy even water.
Go
But
buy
nowadays nothing. They no dey fit buy again. So the least thing when money wey fit buy anything now for Naija.
Better thing
na 100 naira.
That means if you give small pikin 50 naira, no take o.
Give am 50 naira. You dey waste your time. You dey waste your time.
No,
from 200 now. You go give pikin before I go tell you thank you. 200.
Oh, wow.
Na so it be. Then for the one again when they go talk say you no fit wish anybody with empty mouth. Na true the woman talk. You know, we na Africans. We must be Africans.
And we like tradition.
Yes. And if you look at African setting, we like brotherhood. Brotherhood, fraternity. You see, we want. Sorry for my grammar. Why they
you too dey speak big oyibo.
Take the hot my belly.
Wait. Calm down.
Okay.
You don't calm down.
Okay. Now the tension when you did.
Continue.
So, when you say fraternity now, we like each other. We like to do things
together.
As one together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But if I want wish you now, for instance, I want wish I just you Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas.
One area.
You see,
something
must fall out.
Sure.
Something must fall out.
As they say, Merry Christmas, my friends, I look your eye. They come, you not come out for pocket. I just face my friend.
No worry. When we come out from studio now, I go to do that one. But waiting they really play for the country, not be that so they hard. You understand? So say, as an African or as a Niger person, the one with person, a Merry Christmas, just empty mouth, it's painful. You understand? When the woman talking, I really feel the pain. You understand? So now so missing.
Well, my country people, for me, waiting my brother and the woman talk, it correct. Based on say, you not get to fix all those small money they take buy again. Why will not to hit the matter because we go naka reach now. The matter self go begin cry. My brother, may you tell us the next thing we will see for streets as we go that time.
Hey, the next person when we still meet, that be one young girl. When her name be Okereke Chris. Now, this particular girl talk say market before not be as it be this year.
Okay.
He said this year he said it was. He said before drinks because I drink she dey sell.
Okay.
Say before by this time people don't come they buy drinks some other drinks like 1 million like 2 million lowest 500,000. He said but this year now they don't see anybody when they order like that too. He say as they no see come realize say yes na true say
things
don be as e get. Then they come talk one thing again talk one thing.
What they talk?
He say they feel for Nigerians.
In
they feel for them the way that they come when they buy things. Say they feel am say this is not supposed to go like this. Understand me? Then because he talk again, he talk one thing again when it comes touch me. He say the reason why things they go up for we country Nigeria. Say because once producers when they produce these things, once they don't test the price, say the thing increase, they don't test them, they don't go like one.
They don't go down again because they don't enjoy profit.
Yes. Say na so insane. So make I not talk too much. Make we show country for the video. Make she just talk to them by herself.
Okay.
And this year in terms of how people they buy things, in terms of price of things. So now those ones be the question.
It's too much, my brother.
So we go take a one by one. So first of all, you go tell us your name.
My name is Okereke.
Okay.
So what's I want to talk? Christmas really changed. Okay. Check her last year and this year, not the same thing. When we did the sell markets, it really reduced. But all those bank people, all those NNPC, all of them, they always buy drink every year. And they want to buy drink, not less than some 1,500,000. But this year, now few of them now will be. They're not too come like that. Like this year, no, like last year. In terms of things, cost, this year, and stereo, this year where cost, things really go. This one like what they say last year 5,000, this year na 8K, so na 7,000. It really go up well. You see affect our business because me self as I dey pity for people where they do the buy for the drink. But the Christmas, I know they see the Christmas, but by this time last year, you don't know what you don't say. Not be bad to sell plenty things, so there's some guys who go sell small money, or see small market where you go sell, you know better money where you go see for inside. But this year,
now what be those things that when you feel say make this year Christmas now come be like this?
It feel like say that coronavirus na be the main because since we don dey get issue dey come na since that corona season now we don dey get problem dey come and there our problem come take start. When they say corona dey come we think say things go dey come down. My brother, things go up dey too there na from there since that time wey the things don go up the thing come sweet the companies wey dey do am dem no come wan gree reduce the thing again the thing all dey go up more because dem know say this Edo state people like to dey buy things people dey buy things so dem know say even though wetin dey sell 5 naira dem increase am to 15 naira people buy am so I sure say na that corona season na church this endsars nelemisi come vandalize everything don come see spoil everything come maga. This corona season, all of them join. But I don't know whether our government, you need to do something. You need to do something well. And you talk out, yeah, you need to do something. Things to go. Things to there. Then they change things. I don't understand this Christmas at all.
You as a business person now, as a trader, me think say you go like and make things they go up, so that you go they make more gain.
No. I don't like make things they go up because the way the things they go up, you can't make quality of market. They say all the business. When people they feel they get money they buy before they reduce them because the thing too cost. You see they affect the thing too there. But if they want to buy something of maybe 100 pieces because the way the thing they there, they feel buy like 60 or 50. If the thing they normal price, they go buy normal things.
Okay. You now 2 days to Christmas. How you want to celebrate your Christmas?
Me never even see Christmas, so me as I dey I never even know whether Christmas dey exist. But if I dey alive, I dey very very happy. Me never see Christmas. I never even see whether they come or not. Because last year by this time, I wish you.
My brother, this one touch me personally.
Okay.
Anybody wey know me know say Christmas time if I come your house, my belle fit don full, I fit no chop rice. I must drink something.
Yeah.
This one because people now they buy drinks so. I don't know how it go be. But my brother, then na because say money no dey.
We
never buy rice finish now. We never buy chicken finish. We never buy what we go take. Some of us able to consider beans and dodo for the Christmas. Because some of they go buy drinks on 1,500,000, even 50,000. You see, the gas it go be if you come my house, I not fit buy drink. I'll give you water. I'll do zobo. Oh, na drink.
Yeah, na drink. Zobo
it makes sense. They talk say if we get high nutritional, they give you vitamin for body.
Vitamin.
I want say nutritional value, but man change that. If they give you something for body, they make you they grow.
Like we take zobo, me go grow again.
You grow, you big.
Me, I'll grow.
You're big, well.
Okay. I go drink.
You come my house and give zobo. So what did she talk? Not be lie, yo, my people. What did she talk? Not true. Based on people never fit buy other important things because drink. With or without drink, we will still do it. So the thing affect our market. Then what did she talk again? She said she dey feel for people. This na person wey get
feeling.
Man, speaking. She get human sympathy.
Feeling.
Human feeling. I wish she even get. She go help. She go like So pona kato you go buy until they go say the drink na 2,000. You go say sister no vex. Na 1,500 I guess. She go say no worry, carry go based on say she go fit use her own pocket money take fill am, but she no go fit do like that. So the thing we no know how e go be, but God go help us. Anyhow wey we see the like I want dey talk dey come since. Anyhow wey we see am,
Make we manage am like
we
that.
go do am. Before evening go reach, day don dark. Before 6 day don dark, everybody go sleep. Matter we go rest. Abi no be so
Na
my
so
brother.
na so me see am. Na so me see am. Wetin me go add join that one wey you just talk now. Christmas na Jesus birthday.
Na Jesus birthday.
And e come show love. Na love. Na im make dem born Jesus. No be done for us to kill ourselves for. So like wetin you talk just now, na to just do am as your hand and pocket reach.
As e reach.
No go carry BP. No go chook am for wetin you no suppose to chook am put.
We go borrow money.
Sake of say you wan celebrate Christmas.
Make your neighbor for know say you don arrive.
Remember, this Christmas no be the last Christmas wey you go celebrate. More Christmas dey
E still dey come.
So na so me see am.
Okay, my people, una don hear am from the mouth of all the people wey we meet for street. We don analyse this matter. We don talk am. We don talk am, dey take talk am. But my brother, make we still add our own. No say we analyse wetin the people dey talk o. But your own personal opinion now. How you see this Christmas of 2020? Compare am with the ones wey you don do before. How e be for you?
Since when they born me, then I come begin grow, get sense, dey observe wetin dey happen. I never see this kind one. This kind one really, na my mind I just talk, so I never see am. Christmas wey I dey see before, dey always bam. By this time, you don dey see all those Christmas things when children dey use, like those balloons, those whistles, those masks, Christmas masks.
Eyeglass.
Then you go see, you know, those children go come, they do those Christmas dance. When they dance round.
They tell people say Christmas don reach.
Come, I no see anyone. I no hear anyone. Then again, the fire crackers. You understand? Though government talk that one, say
government say we will
not put up for that one.
we
We do not observe that one. You know that one join to when they make the Christmas.
they bump, they make blood dey hot, they make spirit dey high. But they don't kill our spirit for them.
So, but bad as e bad. But first of all, make we thank Baba God, because na him keep us till this time.
So.
And him will keep us go always make way for that Christmas day. The turkey must take place. The chicken must take place. The rice cracker must take place.
We go chop am.
Na so. Na Jesus will dey celebrate.
Na so. My people, na that yarn for my brother. For me, wetin I go talk be say, this year Christmas, e no be like the other ones wey we dey see. Na from 1st of December, now we dey feel am. My brother, you notice something say we never feel am at all this year.
Yes.
Weather still dey hot.
Everywhere
rain still dey fall. Before, as sun dey shine, the place dey cold. We dey wan near abroad small. But this year we far well. I want to tell you, say even the weather no say things hard. But as e hard reach, and like as I talk, as your power reach, may you do am.
Country people, na here we wan draw curtain for the ogbonge program, The Analytical. The discussion no end here. The matter no end here at all. It continue for all our social media platforms, especially for our Instagram page. So make you enter there, give your own opinion concerning the matter, how you see Christmas before and now, this year, and how you too want to celebrate your own. Let the discussion continue for there. So una,
don't forget to drop your comment for this our page. Tell us how you see the matter, and we sef go still join you to celebrate the Christmas. From all of us for DJM TV News,
we say
Merry Christmas to you all.
Okay, don't forget to bring my chicken.
Arise.
DJM TV.